Rome is not just a city, it's a living museum, a place where every cobblestone whispers stories of emperors, saints, artists, and revolutionaries. Here, history isn't locked away in glass cases. It rises before you in marble columns, golden domes, and shadowy ruins that glow at sunset. Over the next 3 days, you'll wander through ancient amphitheaters, eat meals that could only be made in Rome, and feel the weight of centuries pressing gently on your shoulders. But this isn't just a checklist of landmarks. This is an immersive journey, one where you'll not only see Rome, but taste it, breathe it, and carry it with you long after you leave. Before we dive in, remember, all through this video, you'll see quick pop-ups for discount RomeTours.com and RomeDiningReservations.com, two resources to make your Roman holiday seamless. And if you're hungry for deeper details, we've also created special bonus videos about the Colosseum, Vatican, St. Peter's Basilica, and Sistine Chapel. Trust me, you don't want to miss them. So let's begin. 3 days in the Eternal City. Day 1. Ancient marvels and local flavors. Morning. Start your Roman adventure the Italian way, with a quick breakfast at a local cafe. Order a creamy cappuccino and a flaky pastry. Locals often enjoy it, standing at the bar before rushing off to work. It's a simple ritual, but it sets the tone for Rome's vibrant mornings. From here, head straight to one of the world's most iconic landmarks, the Colosseum. Walking into this ancient arena is like stepping back nearly 2,000 years. Imagine gladiators, roaring crowds, and emperors deciding the fate of fighters with a single gesture. And here's a pro tip. We've created a separate video on our channel, 10 Things People Miss and Shouldn't, on their tour of the Roman Colosseum. Be sure to check that out after this itinerary so you don't miss the hidden details most visitors walk right past. After the Colosseum, stroll through the Roman Forum, once the bustling heart of the empire, and then climb Palatine Hill for sweeping views of ancient Rome. Lunch. For lunch, treat yourself at Pan e Salame. This casual yet beloved spot is famous for its fresh panini and charcuterie boards, a perfect way to refuel while still keeping things light. Afternoon. In the afternoon, head toward Capitoline Hill. Inside the Capitoline Museums, you'll find treasures like the legendary Capitoline wolf statue. This museum offers incredible insight into Rome's origins and artistry. Later, slow things down with an aperitivo. Try the court with its unforgettable Colosseum views, or simply grab a spritz at a charming piazza cafe. Dinner. As the day winds down, dinner at Rossioli is a must. Known for rich carbonara and an intimate Roman vibe, it's an evening to remember. This isn't a spot to walk into unprepared. Book your table in advance at RomeDiningReservations.com to ensure you don't miss out. Trust me, Rossioli is the kind of dinner you'll remember years later when you're back home dreaming of Rome. Day 2. Vatican wonders and evening indulgences. Early morning. Wake up early and head to the Trevi Fountain before the crowds arrive. The light is magical, the square is peaceful, and it's the best time to toss a coin and make a wish. Just nearby, grab breakfast at a small cafe or even sample a pastry from a local bakery that's been around for generations. Mid-morning, now it's time for the Vatican, home to priceless art and history. Wander through the Vatican Museums, stand in awe under Michelangelo's Sistine Chapel ceiling, and walk into the grand majesty of St. Peter's Basilica. And don't forget, on our channel, we've also created a video guide just for the Vatican, St. Peter's Basilica, and the Sistine Chapel, covering the must-see details that so many visitors miss. Lunch. From the Vatican, it's just a short stroll to Mercato Trionfale. This is Rome's largest food market, bursting with colors, aromas, and flavors. Taste fresh mozzarella, Roman pizza al taglio, cured meats, or simply snack your way through stalls like the locals do. Afternoon. In the afternoon, go underground, literally, with a tour of the Capuchin Crypt. Decorated with the bones of thousands of friars, it's eerie, fascinating, and surprisingly moving. Dinner. For dinner, cross the river into Trastevere. This neighborhood is filled with cobblestone alleys, trattorias, and street life that buzzes well into the night. Enjoy a hearty meal, sip some house wine, and let the authentic Roman atmosphere surround you. For the best seats in Trastevere's popular trattorias, plan ahead with RomeDiningReservations.com. It's the difference between waiting in line and being ushered straight to a table under the stars. Day 3. Treasures, cooking, and gelato. Delights. Morning. A slow start. Your final day begins slowly with coffee at a local cafe. By now, the barista might even recognize you. Rome has a way of making visitors feel like locals. Sip your cappuccino, nibble on a flaky pastry, and let the morning unfold without hurry. Lunch. For lunch, step into the Jewish ghetto, one of Rome's oldest and most fascinating neighborhoods. At Pasticceria Boccione, traditions are baked into every pastry. Try their famous ricotta and cherry tart, slightly burned on top, but impossibly rich and flavorful. Or taste pizza Abreka, dense with nuts and candied fruit, a recipe passed down for centuries. Here, food isn't just nourishment, it's heritage. Afternoon. Spend your afternoon wandering through some of Rome's most iconic spots. Enter the Pantheon and gaze upward at its perfect dome, open to the sky with its famous oculus. Climb the Spanish Steps, where artists and poets once gathered for inspiration. Finally, rest in Piazza Navona, watching Bernini's fountains spray water into the air, while street performers entertain the crowd. These places are postcards brought to life, timeless, vibrant, unforgettable. Evening. As evening falls, your Roman holiday reaches its most intimate moment, a cooking class in a local's home. Here, you'll roll fresh pasta dough, stir sauces that simmer with garlic and olive oil, and learn the secrets behind dishes Romans have perfected for generations. The best part? Sharing the meal at the table, sipping wine with new friends, laughter echoing through a cozy kitchen. After dinner, there's still room for dessert. And in Rome, that means gelato. Head to La Gelateria Frigidarium near Piazza Navona, where flavors are bold, creamy, and often dipped in a shell of chocolate that cracks with every bite. And if you still have energy, cap off your journey with the wonders of Rome at night tour. Under moonlight, the city transforms. The Colosseum glows, piazzas sparkle, and Rome feels like it's holding secrets just for you. 3 days in Rome may not feel like enough. In truth, a lifetime isn't enough. But with this itinerary, you'll experience the soul of the city, its ancient marvels, its culinary delights, its sacred spaces, and its nightly magic. Of course, no adventure is complete without a little guidance. And for restaurant bookings that ensure you never miss a table at Rome's finest trattorias and ristorantes, visit RomeDiningReservations.com. And for tours that transform sightseeing into unforgettable memories, check out DiscountRomeTours.com. To dive even deeper, be sure to watch our bonus videos on the Colosseum, the Vatican, St. Peter's Basilica, and the Sistine Chapel. They'll help you see what most travelers overlook and let you experience these icons on a whole new level. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Eternal City. It has been our privilege to walk beside you, even virtually, through Rome's timeless streets. If this guide has sparked your imagination or inspired your own Roman adventure, don't forget to hit subscribe, share your thoughts in the comments, and let us know which part of Rome you're most excited to see, whether it's your first visit or a return to an old love. Until we meet again, arrivederci, and may your travels always lead you back to the heart of Rome, where history and beauty never fade.